Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2016 Jeep Compass, and I will show you how to remove and replace the low beam and the high beam headlamps. This video will apply to Jeep Compasses made from 2011 all the way up to 2017. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, now this shouldn't be too hard. First I will show you the passenger side. Actually, first I will show you the headlight. Now this inner one, the large one, this is your high beam, and this here, this is your low beam. And first I will show you the low beam, right? We'll turn the flash on my phone. Okay, so this right here, this is your low beam. So all you have to do, you just have to turn this socket counterclockwise. You want to turn it and you want to pull it out, and that's everything. Okay, now to completely remove the bulb, you just have to disconnect it, and to do that you'll have these two black tabs on each side. You see one on this side and one on the other side, so you have to just, you see, pull this tab over, pull this black thing over the tab. You see what I'm doing? I'm just lifting this. I would have to use both of my hands to do it. If you can't do it, just use the flat screwdriver or something like that. You see, you just have to pull this towards yourself and then pull the bulb out. It would also be a good idea, probably, like, you see what I'll do, I can just pry it here. You see, easy like that. Just pry it and pull the bulb out, and you'll have to do that on both sides at the same time. That's why I said would have to use both of my hands to be able to do it. Okay, so I was able to unclip it, and then the light will just pop out. You see, once again, these are the tabs, and you just have to pull this up, pull it up over the tab. Very easy to do on this car. Okay, now when you're installing the bulb back in, first you will connect it, right? And then you will insert it into the headlight assembly. You just have to be careful. You see, you have these grooves, 3 grooves. You have to just align the grooves. You have one here, and one on the other side here. You have these, like, you just have to place it in the right grooves, and then you just turn it clockwise. It will click in place, and that's it. Okay, once that is done, now the high beam, it's located right here, very easy accessible as well. I will try to record from here. It's the same thing, you will just turn it counterclockwise and then you will pull it out, right? And once you pull it out, everything should be the same. You see, you'll also have these two, in this case blue, tabs to pull and remove the bulb, and when you're done you just install it back in place. And turn it clockwise. Now other side will be completely the same. I use this side to record because it's a bit easier to access it, but other side shouldn't be too bad either. So you will have your, this will be your high beam, and you will have your low beam right here. So they are both quite easy accessible. It's not too bad. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.